Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm back again with another video. This time I will be sharing with you a few body care products that I got from Dubois and other from our local supermarkets. If this is the first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red button here and join the community. So let's get straight into the video. So the first ones are these body scrub, and these are from Dubois. So guys, the first one is this body scrub. This is not for face, and it has strawberry. Yeah, it has strawberry scent, and also it's rich in vitamin C and alpha hydroxide acids and vitamin E. So this is so nice for deep exfoliating your skin, and also it removes grease, like kwa miguu inasugua, inatoa uchafu, inatoa dhambi. You need this one, and so nice. And also it smells so smells like strawberry. Smells so nice. I got this one for 200 bob at Dubois Beauty Cosmetics Mall. This is so nice, and they are all over Dubois, like hakuna ati specific shop, and it's 350 grams. So the next one is this Himalayan salt scrub. I also got this one for 200 shillings, and the smell is not good. I've not tried this one, guys, but I'll share with you my experience. But yeah, it's good for reducing the appearances of cellulite, and also it's suitable for external use only, and it can only be used on the body, not face. Let's see the ingredients: jojoba oil, aloe extract, and dead sea salt. So those are the main ingredients. So the next one is this coffee body spa scrub, and it's like they say it's whitening spa scrub, sea salt bath, and this one smells like coffee. Like you're supposed to use this one after you cleanse. I always use my natural coffee scrub, but I'm going to try also this one out, especially for my legs. Yes, we're done with the scrubs. So guys, the next one is this brush. I also got this one from Dubois. Yeah, I got this bathing brush for 150 bob. It has very soft blisters. This is for bathing. Inafika tu kunyuma, which is so nice. The next one is this smoother for smoothing the legs. So I got this one for 100 bob. Imagine yote 100, and hope it's not going to come out. Most of these brushes, like after you use them for some time, because of water, they normally come out. Like any 100 too. This one. So I got 2 sets of these. These are the gloves for bathing. So I got these gloves. I got this one for 50 bob. Imagine 50 bob, 2 of them. So guys, the next are these wax bee for waxing. I've not tried this before, so I'll have a separate video and review these natural wax. These ones. The last one is this Dove Pure Pampering Shea Butter Body Wash. I got this one for 450 bob, but this one is not from Dubois. And this Ideal Glycerin, Pure Glycerin, got this one for 175 bob. Yeah, from our supermarkets. And that all, guys, for body care video. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hit on the subscribe button, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.